again right now as they pull forward. This entire team looking on. He brought everybody. The entire Moran family came down for this one. Here it comes. You guys ready for a little burnout? I can't hear you guys ready for a little drag racing. All right, let's do it. Roadkill Nights, all powered by Dodge. It's going down right now. He's going to do this several times. This is round 2 for Mr. Moran. This is a pro tree. You'll see him pull up. You'll see the top light. Then it'll get into a second light when it's staged. And then the 3 ambers, that will be go time. Stand by. And a good run. That puts him in the win column for that.